Alright everybody, so I'm going to go through another one of these Americans here. I got 9 left out of that last package, then I got another package with 6 of them that's not open yet, so just grab one off the top here. Here's an American 1100 on eBay here. I've been sitting at my house for about 6 months. You can watch the last video on that. So I'm going to use a 40 thousandths pry bar from Sparrows and a Peterson number, I think it's a 3 hook, could be a 4, I think it's a 3 though. It's 25 thousandths thick. And I always try to start, I don't know, I just start at the back on these for whatever reason. And I use pretty heavy tension, I think, for them. Kind of heavy tension. If there's long pins, you can kind of just, with heavy tension, just rub the bottom of it and they'll set without oversetting. Almost just by rubbing them. No bypass plate on this, as I just went out the back of the keyway. Just overset something. I'm going to start at the front this time. On 1, click on 2, 3, 4, 5, so back to 1. I got that on 1 or 2, so another click on 3. Just start over with more tension. Got it on 1. Click on 2, click on 3. Might be too much tension to get 4 and 5 to move here. Let off a hair. You have to click on 4. Let's actually click on 5. Back to 1 here. Click on 1. And open. 2 clicks on 1 there, so it must be serrated. And screwdriver. Yeah, no bypass plate on it. And go ahead and lock her back here. It's actually pin 4 that just fell out. There's all of our key pins, and the bitting is actually stamped on the key. It's 68486. That's pretty easy when they're long like that. You a bit of tension on them and just rub them, and they kind of click. And one is going to be serrated like I thought. 2, no thoughts on the rest of these. So 2 serrated, 3 is a spool. Bunch of springs. And 4 looks like a spool, but it doesn't want to fall out. That's 5 serrated. And then there's 4, so it's serrated as well. Okay, so we had 1 spool over 3, and then the rest are all serrated pins. And then that will do it for this one. And I guess stay tuned for getting through the rest of these 8. So that'll do it for now, and we will talk to everybody later.